Welcome back. We're chatting with
me.
Laura Barrett and Bailey Shields. Welcome. Again. Now, you've got a new, this is a student. Let's talk about the student portion of your program.
I'm always here talking, so I thought, let's get a student's perspective.
You
So
bet.
I brought
And we're
Miss
talking about Lighthouse
Bailey-
Career Academy.
Miss Bailey
Yes.
Shields.
And this is your first experience in this field?
Well, sort of. I have a cousin who does. She is a cosmetologist. She does hair.
okay.
And I mean, ever since I've been, I want to say 10, she's done hair. And I've always, in the summers, I'd go and just hang out with her, and I'd love it. And my soon-to-be mother-in-law also does hair. So, sort of like the whole family.
So you've been introduced to it early.
Oh, yes.
And so now you're in the process of learning all about it. How far are you along into the courses?
I graduate in March. You have to have 1,500 hours to graduate, and I graduate in March. I'm probably around the 800 marker, so.
Yeah, so you're halfway. But I mean, you got introduced to it early, so you know all about it.
Well, sort of.
Sort of.
You think you know all about it till
Yeah.
you get there, and then
Yeah.
you really learn how to
There's
do
a lot
it.
more in depth.
Yeah, for people out there who might be interested in what are some of the things that they need to know before they decide
What could you tell them?
To really make sure that you like it, and you have to know if, say, someone's upset. You have to know how to make them happy and make them want to come back. You have to be able to deal with unhappy people and grateful people. I mean, that's probably one of the hardest parts is just when you get an unhappy client.
There's a personal touch in there as well as
You have
just
to be very
doing hair or
heart-filled
whatever.
about it, I guess you could say.
Well, your personality is part of your business too, right?
It is.
Yeah.
Selling feature, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to be very talkative and ask them about their day, and then you have clients that don't want to, they just want to get
They
their
don't
hair
wanna
done,
do
it. Yeah.
and you just have to know when to talk and when not to talk. And
Have you ever talked at the wrong time?
oh yeah, all the time. I'm always talking.
Okay.
Well, Laura, let's talk about what you do at Lighthouse Career Academy.
I'm the aesthetics instructor, and I
What is
also-
that for people that may not know?
Facial, skin, basically it's skin care. We have an aesthetics department, and if anybody's interested in going through that program, you will learn how to maintain the skin. You'll learn how to consult with your client on the what to do and what not to do to maintain that skin. And we don't like to use the word aging skin. We like to use the word maturing skin. So you'll learn different terms and terminology to use. And I think last time when I was here on the show, I kind of went through the different things that a student will learn through the program, and that's whether you're going through the cosmetology program or the manicure program or the aesthetics program. And I wish I would have brought one of their books because their workbook is about this thick.
Wow.
And there's, 31 chapters in that book?
Yes.
And the dreaded chapter is the anatomy chapter.
And we're actually going through that right now.
And why do you have
But
to
an
know
important
anatomy?
feature.
Why would you want to know?
So, okay, anatomy. Really, I'm a cosmetologist, so I can do every little bit of it. I can do hair, I can do nails, I can do facials, I can do waxing, I can do just everything. You have to know, we work from the toe up to the knee, no higher than the kneecap. We work from the fingers to the elbow, and we work from the neck up. You have
Okay.
to know, and that's practically almost your whole body.
Right.
And then we can also work on the back. We have these things called back facials. It's the same thing you get
Back
done to the
facials.
face. Yeah, it's like a mini
Really?
massage. Yes.
Wow.
You do the scrub, the exfoliant, everything. It's wonderful.
It's wonderful.
Yes.
Okay.
It's awesome.
I mean, what do you? It's not a massage. It's a.
No.
It's a like the same thing you do on your face. You do on the back,
It's
right?
maintaining the health of the skin.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
But just anatomy, I mean, it's tough.
I mean, you have to know the muscles and the bones and
All of it.
Yes.
all that. Wow.
All of it.
Yeah. It's like, whew.
Pressure points. They learn a little of reflexology and pressure points.
Okay.
And it's all about the client. You have to know where those specific areas are to get the client to relax, so that whatever you're doing is beneficial. I mean, you don't want a client who comes in for a facial and they're all tense and they stay tense
Yeah.
that whole 45 minutes. I mean, they've spent a lot of money on a facial that probably didn't do them really much good. You need to know where to work and how to relax that client.
And then health
Okay.
issues may be a part of that too.
Oh,
yeah.
definitely, yeah. And that's another thing. They also have to learn how to take a client consult. You never touch someone until they have filled out that consult, their instructor has okayed that, and made sure it's okay for a facial. You would think, well, a facial's so simple
Yeah.
and benign. Well, it's really not. You know, you could be putting something topically
It's a
on that
procedure.
skin. It is a
Yeah.
procedure.
Right.
Yeah.
You could be putting something topically on your skin that maybe your doctor prescribed that could be thinning the skin. You wouldn't want to do a specific, you know,
Right.
whether it be a scrub or
Yeah.
something. You need to not do that. You could damage the skin
Yeah.
more.
So you have to have a little history on where they're at. So I can see where that all come into it.
And that goes with hair color too. They have to take a history on any type of a chemical procedure on the hair.
So are you enjoying the classes?
I love the classes.
Are you a good student?
I think
Or
so.
are you the best student in the whole class?
Maybe not the best, but that'd be awesome if I was. I mean, that'd probably just be a personal opinion, but we
So-
know which one I would pick. But
Yeah, I'm sure you would.
Do you have plans after, or at this point?
yes, I'm ready
Okay.
to be out there and making
Okay.
my own money
Okay.
and doing hair.
Well, great. Anything else y'all want to add to whatever yours know?
If you're
Classes are open? Yeah,
Classes are always open. We're always signing, you know, new students up. If you're interested, you can contact Parker or Rakita Zielinski at 741-7333 and give them a call.
Okay.
Well, thank you.
All right.
Welcome.
Thank y'all for coming. Nice to meet
Thanks.
you.
Very
too.
nice.
I might come down there and see if you can add some hair to what I've already got.
We could add a
We'll
little
figure
curl to
something
that.
out. Yeah.
Had a little curl.
We have these things called extensions.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we'll get you good.
I want
Oh.
you know you see the little feathers they have on there.
Got
Can you put like a whole head of feathers on there? I like the down stuff. You know,
We
the
could do
fluffy
it.
down.
Maybe they'll even pluck some on your little arms or something, make you look like a chicken.
Okay. All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Let's talk with Leslie Sasser after this break. We'll be talking about Hospice of the Hills at North Arkansas Regional Medical Center. Stay with us.